Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to your project here, the informational drug poster. Now that you've learned about drugs and alcohol and how they can have a wide range on the effects of our brains and bodies, you're going to be creating a poster that explains the impact of a certain drug category on the mind and body. So make sure your poster has the following information that's listed below. You can use the lesson that we've talked about, or you can also use these websites. You'll see there's two here. You can just copy and paste these websites into your web search bar, and that will bring up some more information as well. But make sure your poster has a title or slogan to draw the attention of people. Example, don't become depressed by alcohol, right? Number two, category of the drug you have chosen, such as a depressant, which would be alcohol. Number three, the example of a drug in that category. So if you chose stimulants, you would give the example of cocaine, talk about how the drug impacts the brain and body, and then I know it's hard when we talk about drugs and alcohol to find school appropriate pictures or drawings. So just try your best. I know you're not going to find everything that's perfect for school, but try your best to at least try to find something that's school appropriate. Again, if you're really struggling with that, you can use whatever you find, but just again, try to be careful and use your common sense about what would be appropriate for school or not. Um, and then let me bring up the poster here, the document. Just one moment. Okay, so here you see it here, a title or slogan, category of the drug you've chosen, example of the drug, and then information about how the drug impacts the brain and body. You can add color, pictures, make it informative and make it interesting, right? If you wanted to inform people about a certain drug or problem, how would you grab people's attention? All right, so try to make it informative and interesting, and try your best on it. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks, everyone. Bye bye.